What's up everyone, my name is Taylor Lewis and this is Film Creator Pro, an online film school that is designed to take you from beginner to pro in a matter of months. In this course, we'll teach you everything from how to set up an LLC, what gear to buy, how to land big clients, and most importantly, how to make money doing it. My brothers and I have built a successful video production company that has done over $4 million in sales.
Now that's definitely not fake news.
We've traveled to over 35 countries and done work for some of the biggest companies in the world. But when we first started our company, Atomic City, we knew nothing about filmmaking, and it took us a while to figure it out. We had to learn by trial and error, and believe me, there were lots of errors. It wasn't easy, and we didn't have anyone to guide us along the way either. Unless you counted our mom, then we had one. Anyway, nowadays you can learn a lot from YouTube, but you have to sink countless hours into it to even get the tiniest little bit of information. On the other hand, if you have an extra $100,000 lying around, you could probably go to film school, but that's not an option for everyone. Needless to say, we noticed we could fill a gap by offering high quality information faster and more direct than YouTube, while also being significantly less expensive than film school. So we're excited to announce Film Creator Pro. We have countless hours of content jam-packed with info, with more content added weekly. On top of all this, we have teamed up with some major brands and can offer some rad discounts, like $360 off the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite, free Red Giant software valued at $599, plus all sorts of music discounts and free stock clips. The discounts alone are worth over $1,800. And best of all, people that join the full course get our personal emails and access to a private Facebook group where you can not only get advice from your peers, but also seasoned professionals. We love helping our students out and take every opportunity to get people on our sets. We've even hired students of ours to come help out on different shoots. So this is a win-win. Just look at what current students are saying. Best film course / education that I have come across yet. Daniel said, "I love everything you and your brothers stand for. I have so much love and respect for your willingness to help me out." Tessa said, "I love how everything is laid out. It is straightforward and easy to navigate and fun. I'm only partway through the gear and I've already learned so much. Thank you for sharing." So you can already see how much value our current students have gotten from it. And for those of you who are unsure, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. We want this to be worth your money. So if the lessons don't do it for you, then you get your money back. Period. That's it. I firmly believe that if you apply the principles that we teach in this course, that you'll not only land more, but also higher paying clients. More than anything, I love hearing stories from people that have benefited from our course. So if you want to learn more, click below. Now, if you have any other questions that I wasn't able to answer or any reservations about the course itself, please shoot me an email at taylor@filmcreatorpro.com. We look forward to helping you on your journey. See you soon.